You will love the features of this 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power driver's seat, alarm, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.